Okay, this is a little evening hunt. Me and Paul shot 47 here in this spot. The early birds that were coming in, they'd come into about 50 yards, and they'd start, you can see them in the video, start to flare off. So it was either shoot or watch them go. So we chose to shoot. So we did a lot of missing in the beginning. But later in the day, as the evening progresses, the crows started acting a little better. We got mostly common crows coming in, nice and easy. We did shoot a few fish crows in this one. You can hear them little suckers circling above us. Call went dead on me. My call, we usually call with my big call. And we'd called all that morning, and I'd never really pushed my batteries to the end. Well, I know now I can get about 8 hours of calling. So just as the evening flight, right about 4 o'clock, was really starting to push through, my call goes dead. So I take off running 100 yards across the plowed field, get my extra battery pack, run back, get it hooked up, and we go to calling for another 10 minutes or so, and it goes dead. So Paul jumps up, runs, gets his call, brings it back, and we finish the evening. So we persevered. Here it is.
Good shot. Man. Oh. Where's he at? Right here. I shot him, sorry. He's pedaling. Ooh. Ah. Boy, it's hard when they come over like that. I'm gonna go. Good shot. Right here, right here, right here. Yeah, it's in the kill zone. Put it on him. Coming over you. Go ahead. Safety. Hit him again. There you go. Oh, I think you should have had him. Unfreaking believable. fat ass shot. I can't believe you got. He shot his pants off. Come on. There's your boy. I was right on him. I'm sorry. There you go, right here, right here. Oh. I heard it, Dale. You might really get him. Saw him. I saw him flint. Keep an eye. I'm gonna try him if he turns. Oh my God, man! Another one, Dale. Right there. Where did they come from? Right there. Did he? Yeah, I got him. Where'd he come from? Sick of listening to it, folks. All right, we tried to shoot a little flyway here. We got 47. Missed it by half a mile that way. They flew past that tree line that you can see there, several hundred yards past it.